Today our topic is output devices. How we can define output device? It is a piece of equipment or hardware which gives out the result of the entered input. Once it is processed is called an output device. The main function of output device is to display the result or information. The various examples of output devices are monitor, printer, etc. Now we are discussing first output device, that is monitor. It is most common and very popular output device. It looks like a TV and it is also known as VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Pictures are displayed by using a large number of small dots on screen called pixels. The number of pixels that a monitor can show on its screen is referred to as the resolution of the screen. There are two commonly used type of monitors are: first is CRT, cathode ray tube monitor. Second is liquid crystal display monitor. Cathode ray tube monitor are large in size and they consume high power, while LCD monitors are lightweighted and flat screen and they use very small amount of electricity as comparison to CRT, and they have better picture quality as compared to CRT. Second output device is printer. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on paper. There is concept of hard copy and soft copy. When we see the output on the monitor, it is called soft copy, and when we preserve it for the later use on the paper, then it is called hard copy. So, type of printers are, there are two type of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer operate by striking a metal or plastic head against ink ribbon, while non-impact printer does not hit or impact a ribbon to print. The ink ribbon is pressed against the paper, marking the page with the appropriate character, while non-impact printer use laser, electrostatic, chemical and inkjet technologies. Impact printer are typically loud, while non-impact printer much quieter as compared to impact printer. Example of impact printer are dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer and line printer, while inkjet printer, thermal printers and laser printer are the example of non-impact printers. So we can say impact printer can be divided into two parts. One is character printer, second one is line printer. Character printer can be categorized in two categories: dot matrix printer and daisy wheel. Line printer can categorize into two categories. One is drum printer, and second one is chain printer. Character printer. Now we are discussing about character printer, which is a part of impact printer. It print one character at a time. Dot matrix printer is the example of character printer. It is one of the most popular printer. Each character printed is in the form of pattern of dots. like this. Advantages of dot matrix printer is it is inexpensive, it is widely used, and other language character can be printed. Disadvantages are slow speed and poor quality. Another example of character printer is daisy wheel. Daisy wheel printer looks like this picture, and its head is laying on a wheel and pins corresponding to character are likely petal of daisy. Advantages are more reliable than dot matrix printer, better quality, fonts of character can be easily changed. Disadvantages are slower than dot matrix printer, noisy, more expensive than dot matrix printer. Next type is line printer. They print one line at a time, and example of line printer is drum printer. There is one drum like this, there is one hammer, paper comes from here, and there is one hammer, and there is one ribbon. This is a ribbon. So by this printer is like a drum in shape. The surface of drum is divided into a number of tracks. A character set is embossed on the track. One rotation of drum print one line. Advantages are very high speed. Disadvantages are very expensive. Line printer, drum printer is very expensive as compared to dot matrix printer as well as daisy wheel. And character font cannot be changed. Next example of line printer, next type of line printer is chain printer. It print one line at a time. A chain of character set is used, hence it is called chain printer. Advantages are character font can easily be changed, different language can be used, and disadvantages are noisy. Next category of non-impact printer are laser printer and inkjet printer. Laser printer, they use laser light to produce the dot needed to form the characters to be printed on a page. Advantages are very high speed, very high quality output, good graphics quality, support many font and different character size. Disadvantages are expensive, cannot be used to produce multiple copies of a document in a single printing. Next type of non-impact printer is inkjet printer. They print characters by spraying small drop of ink onto the paper. They make less noise because no hammering is done. Color printing is also possible by the inkjet printers. Advantages are high quality printing, more reliable, and disadvantages are expensive as the cost per page is high because ink cost is high, as well as slow as compared to laser printer. Next, output devices, speaker. They are used to listen the music and sound played by the computer. Normally they come in a pair and have different shape and sizes. With the advancement in technology, wireless speakers are now available. Next one is headphones. They perform the same function as speaker. Using speakers, the sound can be heard over a large area. and using headphones, the sound is only audible to the person using them. It is also known as earphone or headset. Next output device is plotter. We can get the print of a photograph, drawing, image stored in a computer by using a plotter. It provides high quality of printed output. It is generally used by engineers and architects. So it is all about output devices. Now it is a quiz time. First question is, a printer that print one line at a time and has a predefined set of characters is called, option A is laser, option B drum, option C inkjet, option D impact. Students, you can do your quiz on paper. In last slide we discuss answers, or we give the answers. You can check your answer and see your marks. Next question is, which of the following is a name of plotter as well as printer? Flatbed, laser, drum, impact. Which of the following printers have a speed in the range of 40 to 300 characters per second? Inkjet, laser, dot matrix or drum? Next question is, which of the following is a temporary output? Hard copy, soft copy, option C duplicate copy, and option D is on paper. I am repeating the question. Which of the following is a temporary output? Option A hard copy, option B soft copy, option C duplicate copy, and option D on paper. The smallest unit of an output device display is called pixel, picture unit, VDT, monitor. The smallest unit of an output device display is called, option A pixel, option B picture unit, option C VDT, option D monitor. Next question is, a specialized output device for producing charts, maps and very high quality drawing is a, option A printer, option B plotter, option C scanner, and option D imager. The category of output that the cathode ray tube falls under: soft copy, option B modem, option C hard copy, and option D tape. Next question is, the type of output that is printed on permanent media is called, option A soft copy, option B hard copy, option C modem, and option D disc or tape. I am repeating the question. The type of output that is printed on permanent media is called soft copy, hard copy, or modem or disc. Next question is, which of the following is not an output device? Plotter, option A है, option B printer, option C scanner, and option D monitor. Last question is, devices that let the computer communicate with you is called input devices, output devices, type devices or print devices. That's all for today. Thank you.